This is a part file from Autodesk Inventor. It's proprietary, so most CAD programs can't open it, but you can view it perfectly using the free official viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, a certified support engineer. I'll link you to the download. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an IPT file. Here's a sneak peek. The IPT format is widely known and distributed as a member of the 3D CAD file family. The Inventor Part File provides the backbone for the data structure. The IPT file is the native proprietary part file format for Autodesk Inventor. It contains the complete definition of a single 3D mechanical part, including its features, dimensions, and material properties, focusing on detailed engineering and manufacturing design. Developed by Autodesk, the format is proprietary and focuses on parametric modeling. Its design rules maintain a history tree of every operation performed on the model. While it can be opened by viewers like Autodesk Fusion 360, full feature editing requires the original Autodesk Inventor application. For viewing and interaction, IPT is most commonly opened via Autodesk Fusion 360 from Autodesk Inc. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the IPT file and select Open with. Test Autodesk Fusion 360 if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the IPT format uniquely. If your IPT file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since this IPT format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, use Inventor. Open the file using Autodesk Inventor, ensuring the version of Inventor you are using is equal to or newer than the version that created the part file. Next, check project path. Ensure the IPT file is located within a defined project path in the Inventor project file .ipj to allow the software to locate all necessary assemblies. Finally, use Inventor Viewer. If you only need to view the model, install the free Autodesk Inventor View or Design Review application. Your current apps can't read the IPT file, which tells us the solution isn't in your existing software. The right next step is to turn to the dedicated universal tool for this type of file. Stop letting Windows tell you the file is wrong. FileMagick has the unique ability to display content instantly, even when the IPT extension is missing or incorrect. Download it now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Have a great day.